Welcome to our channel. In this channel we basically review various ICO program. In today's video we will discuss about student coin. So friends, this is the official website of student coin. Studentcoin.org is their official website link. You can get this link in the description of this video. This is the interface of student coin official website. Look, here is the launched ICO, then roadmap, team, community, and other more options are there. Now we check more details about this projects in their official website. Student coin is the first crypto platform that allow user to easily design, create, and manage personal startup, NFT, and DeFi token. Now we know some more details about this STC token. They allow for wide-scale tokenism by building the platform of both people and organization to easily create, manage, and develop their own token. Tokenization is the future of the economy where every person and company has its own token. Student coin allow the creation of custom token and can be used for crowdfunding, trading, governing, voting, and or payment. The token built with student coin are valued based on the central reference currency STC token and can be trade and crowdfunded at the student coins platform STC exchange. DeFi token issued by student to decentralize their student loan is one example of how STC based token can be used. STC token is already listed in web exchange Uniswap and CoinTiger. So if you want to buy or sell token instantly, then you have the option in these projects. Now we check some importance of STC token. Look, here is some of the importance of this STC token. STC is a reliable, fundamental, long-term projects based on academic values. STC will allow you to create your own token and manage its issue at the STC exchange. Then STC token holder will receive a circular payment generated in the exchange STC exchange from token trading fees and crowdfunding. After that, STC is building a global community that connect the both token holder and student, just like social media of the beginning. Then STC token works as the central and reference currency. By owning STC, the holder own part of all token ever created with student coin. STC created the educational panel to promote tokenization and educate about economic finance and new technologies. Now we check the roadmap of this project. So the roadmap is a very important things of a project, so please check the roadmap very carefully. This is the 2017 fourth quarter, creating the STC ecosystem idea and establish the core team. After that, second quarter of 2018, preparing the back end as well as the legal and accounting social solution for the token launch. Then first quarter of 2019, announcement of the company and backend preparation. After that, fourth quarter of 2019, launching the web token version and fast DX listing. Then second quarter of 2020, creating STC version of ERC20 standard and token pre-listing. Then third quarter of 2020, implementation of STC educational panel and STC voting. After that, fourth quarter of 2020, distribution of STC of the world top 100 university. Then first quarter of 2021, student coin officially launched during STC launchpad ICO. Then second quarter of 2021, STC listing at major crypto exchange. Then third quarter of 2021, listing the STC exchange, STC terminal, and STC app for the public. Then their plan, fourth quarter of 2021, listing the first personal startup organizational and DeFi token at STC exchange. Then their plan 2022, establishment and sustainable tokenism ecosystem with STC as the reference currency. And then the FAQ section. If you have some simple question about this project, please check FAQ section and you get your simple question answer in there. Friends, so far this was our video for today. We hope all of you like STC projects and all of you like us will participate in student coin token, hold it for a few days and make a good profit from these projects.